Hello. In this video, I show you how to create replicas of Proxmox VE virtual machines. You can use replicas for critical VMs with very strict recovery time objectives. During a major failure that brings down your VMs, you can simply use failover to replica and resume your workflows in minutes. Before you start, make sure that you have your source and target Proxmox container discovered in your inventory. Check the video in the top corner on how to add your Proxmox VE hosts to NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Now to create a replication job, go to Data Protection. Click the plus icon and select Replication for Proxmox VE. At the source step, which defaults to the Hosts and Clusters view, select the VMs that you want to replicate. The view can also be changed to jobs in groups or backup repositories. In the right pane, just drag and drop the VMs to arrange them by priority. At the destination step, select the target container, storage, and pool for the replicas. Then, for advanced setup, you can click to expand each VM and map the VMs to existing replicas if you have any. Additionally, you can select custom target settings for each VM. At the network step, you can enable network mapping to map source VM virtual networks to corresponding target virtual networks. At the re-IP step, you can select VMs and assign a new IP address based on the rules you create here. Click Create New Rule to open the new re-IP rule window and fill in the source and target settings. The Schedule step allows you to create a schedule for running the replication job automatically. You can plan this daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, periodically, and even after another job, for example, after a successful backup job. Additionally, you can create multiple schedules. If you click Show Calendar, you can view a graphic representation of your current job plus all other jobs you have already added to your job list previously. At the Retention step, you can specify the number of recovery points to be retained using the grandfather-father-son backup rotation scheme. Up to 30 recovery points in total can be created for a replica VM. You can keep one recovery point per day, week, month, or year. Lastly, at the Options step, you can specify a name for the job and assign the priority for it, with 1 being the highest. You can enable app-aware mode to ensure app data consistency and select a change tracking method for incremental replicas. You can use the native Proxmox VE CBT method or switch to the NAKIVO proprietary method. If you want to create full replicas every time, choose No Change Tracking. Other options that you can configure here include network acceleration, network encryption, VM verification to ensure that the replica is usable. You can also exclude swap files, partitions, and unused blocks. For the pre- and post actions, you can send job run reports to your email, truncate Exchange, and SQL server logs, and run local pre- and post-job scripts. For the data transfer options, you can limit the transporter load to fewer concurrent tasks, create a bandwidth throttling rule, and enable bottleneck detection. Once ready, click Finish or Finish and Run to add this job to the job list and run it. The replication job has started. You can view the progress in the job info pane. After the job has been completed successfully, you can proceed with the recovery options to create a failover or failback job for Proxmox VE. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. You can also visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.